Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the DynaTrap Mosquito Trap Lure. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying.
All right, so let's get this thing open here. It should be, it feels plasticky, it's not gooey or anything like that. Kind of feels like there's pellets inside, but I'm just going to show you how it goes inside. We're literally just going to dump the main container and then throw that in there. But I'll have to dump some insects first, so there may be a little bit of residue. So just be careful. I'm going to leave it on this when I take it out. Wash your hands after, because there is a bit of an aroma that's coming from this. So just safety first. So whenever possible. So I unscrewed the bottom of this. I already dumped it out, and literally there's a click button that you kind of just drop, and that's where they're going to end up. That's where this thing is actually going to finish. Once I get it clicked back in to place here, there we go. I think we're good. Anyway, so we're just going to drop this into the top. And of course it's going to be too big. There we go. And now it's in there, as you can see. And then I'll just screw it back in. All right, now it's back on. You can see it inside. So we'll come back in a few days and see how it's doing. So I've got this thing. I'm about to dump it. Sorry, I'm trying to do this one-handed here, so just bear with me. I want to pause it. So what you'll really see is a ton of beetles, more than anything else that I'm collecting. And there's my thing. So I think the beetles are attracted to the mosquitoes. Obviously don't love this, but I'm just going to chuck this thing right back in it. Seemed to be working pretty well. I've not had any mosquito issues in the past few days, so to me definitely worth buying. Hopefully this review helps. Thanks for watching.